Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on or turn off tamper protection on Windows 11. So what is tamper protection? Tamper protection is capability in Microsoft Defender for endpoint that helps protect certain security settings such as virus and threat protection from being disabled or changed. So maybe there is a cyber attack that can change your Windows Defender behaviors. You need to turn on tamper protection. But if you want to exploit, modify your Windows, so you can consider to disable tamper protection. All you have to do now, you can click on Windows and click Settings. Then you can click on Privacy and Security. Then search for Windows Security and click on Open Windows Security. Here you can click on Virus Threat Protection and Manage Settings. You can scroll down and turn off Tamper Protection. Prevents others from tampering with important security features. For detail, you can learn more, you can click it. But this is how you can turn off and turn on Tamper Protection. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the next button below. See you in the next video.